My name is Tony Howarth. I'm a resident of this village and I value this brook as much as anybody could. This brook is the reason that the village of Sabden exists. The purity of the water was the bloodline for the working of the factories and subsequently the reason for people living in this valley and the formation of the village. It's said that Sabden Brook, a few short years ago, was one, if not the, best quality water in the northwest of England. As you sit, think if you will, of all the folks who's worked in mill, powered by the brook, built on its banks, listening to the water, we should give thanks. The brook, the mill, the folk, remember this, they made this village what it is, our home.
Our Talking Rivers series of audio productions has been brought to you by Ribble Rivers Trust as part of the Ribble Life Together project. It celebrates the rich cultural, social and natural heritage of the Ribble Catchment. Creating the series has been made possible by National Lottery players through the Heritage Lottery Fund. For more episodes and information, visit ribblelifetogether.org.